Hey gamers, just wanted to show you guys some footage of my last week in Vietnam. I hope you guys are doing well. I just got over my cold, and I can't wait to start making videos again. This is the floating market in Cang Ta. Basically, it's a big chunk of the river where merchants can sell their goods on boat. You can take a tour boat into the river, and these merchant boats will come up to you and peddle their goods. And they just keep their balance as they sell your fruits and other refreshments. I don't know how they do it. I guess they get used to it after a few years. We also had ourselves a little street food night. They had pretty novel things like grilled rice paper pizza, takoyaki, Thai crepes. Stuff I've never tried before, but it was pretty good. We stopped by a banh cuong place, and banh cuong is like these rice flour crepes with a meat filling, and it's steamed and rolled into these little dumplings. They had a really fancy machine to make them. They're pretty good, and they give you these toppings like sausage, egg rolls, fried onions. It was delicious. In our last few days, we stayed in the big old Ho Chi Minh City. I did some shopping, bought some souvenirs from my friends, and we also did some cafe hopping. It was a really nice way to end my trip. I really did have a lot of fun here. It was definitely a well-needed refresher for me, but honestly, I can't wait till I get to make videos again. Yeah, that's all the footage I have for this week. Shortly after we start to get ready for our upcoming trip home. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Take care.